everybody, quick crypto update. BTC has crossed 10K, going to the moon, possibly. This article is from Crypto Market News, and the author is Jonathan Ganor. Today's date is February the 9th, 2020. This article is in the description below. BTC crosses 10K, officially opening the alt season of 2020. Yes, Bitcoin's above 10K. At the time of this recording, could 11K be Bitcoin's next target? It seems that 2020 could be very good year for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin started the decade trading at $7,200, nearly double of its price in January 2019. The new year has plenty of events which could help continually grow Bitcoin and the crypto space as an extension. This includes the halving event in which miners will receive half their Bitcoin rewards, US presidential election, and potentially Brexit. It is important to note that most Bitcoin forks, including Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin SV, will go through a halving as well. Those two coins don't consider themselves forks. That's just a little note to self when you're reading their articles. They don't consider themselves forks. Earlier today, Bitcoin managed to break upward resistance and cross the 10K mark. BTC is currently trading at $10,082. That's USD dollars, and it seems that the upward momentum can continue onward. Should the rally continues, Bitcoin could likely test $10,500 and then possibly $11,000 within the next week or so. Here's a chart. You can check out this chart when you click on in the description below. This article will be there. This is the first time in roughly 5 months that Bitcoin has been above $10,000. Last summer, Bitcoin managed to break 10,000 in June and had a yearly peak of $12,955 in mid-July. Bitcoin's price later tumbled in September and never rose above 10K until today. It seems that most other cryptocurrencies are following Bitcoin's lead and perhaps even outperforming it in the short term. Tezos, ticker symbol XTC, has been growing strongly since last week and risen an additionally 14% today, reaching $2.44 per coin. Doge, ticker symbol DOGE, has had a slightly stronger rally at 18% and is trading at 0.00346 USD today. A relatively unknown altcoin, Kick token, ticker symbol KICK, has had one of the largest pumps seen today. It's managed to climb by roughly 40% and trades currently at 0.0000538 USD per coin. With Bitcoin price rising and giving away to a cautious optimism, altcoins are following and even outperforming BTC, that's Bitcoin, at times. It seems that 2020 will be a very interesting year to follow Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency ecosystem. If you like this article, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll see you at 11,000.